What's up, YouTube? What's up? How you doing, guys? So my name is CD, and I'm a freelance illustrator. And today we're gonna learn how to draw an eye, anime eye, like seinen style eye. So first, you're gonna start with a circle. After the circle, you're gonna draw 3 strokes. The one for the tear duct, the second one for the top of the eye, and the third one for the corner in the right. Then you're gonna draw two oblique lines. Sorry for my English. Two oblique line, and then what you're gonna do? You're gonna just start darkening, like the eyelashes, the zone of the eyelashes. Next, you're gonna draw the folds on top of the eye and in the bottom of the eye to make it kind of real. That's why we're drawing the circle, so it can guide us. After that, you're gonna draw the pupil, like the inside of the eye. I don't know how you call it. It's the pupil, right? Yeah, the pupil. And you're gonna, for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna detail the pupil. I'm just gonna leave it black. But yeah, we can do a tutorial afterwards so we can learn how to draw what is inside. Then you're gonna start rendering it to make it kind of 3D, you know, adding the juice, like the shadows, etc. And then we're gonna repeat the same process for the other eye. And that's it. Actually, it's not that tough. You just need to practice it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this really fast tutorial. And yeah, don't forget to share your thoughts. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share if you like it. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Bye bye. I guess I'll start speaking French like next.